Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui nous allons parler au sujet de Rosetta Stone. Est-ce que vous avez déjà reçu les informations? Do you have your username and your password, your mot de passe? If not, let me know and I will request that that happens soon. I do not set up the Rosetta Stone accounts. They are set up with a district, so we will have to submit a help ticket if we need help on that. And the help ticket should be right here where it says submit a help desk ticket. I'm going to go to our French class. So you always click on classes, right? And I'm going to go to French 4. And we're going to look at how to work in Rosetta Stone today. So there's a Rosetta Stone link right here. And when you get your username and password, I guess it's your student ID, but I'm not sure. When you get that, mine says it kept me signed in. So that's the great thing is once you sign in, sometimes it's easier to get in later. But write that information down in case you use another computer and you need to access Rosetta Stone by putting in your username and password again. So put that somewhere where you can access it later. Here we go. On y va. Voilà, Rosetta Stone. So here we go. It's going to bring you all the way to Unit 1. You don't want bonjour, ça va, bien. You don't want that. So that little waffle that I just clicked on, I think I did that a little fast. So when you see that main page, they right next to the unit number 1, there's those little squares. So when you click on those, there's all these units. And you're welcome to do any review unit that you want. But we're going to do Unit 13. In Unit 13, there are 4 lessons. And I want you to do Lesson 1, and I want you to do all components. So go in order. So you click on Start, and it's going to naturally just take you through everything. And you want to choose your voice. Make sure your microphone's working. You got to have sound. I'm going to test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my microphone was set up. So you can't have a lot of background noise and a lot of other things going on. It may not pick up your voice.
J'ai voyagé dans beaucoup de pays.
Oh my goodness, you got to start. It just gets right into it. I traveled in a lot of countries. Well, we have a girl with all these suitcases. The great thing, let's do a wrong one. I'm going to click on the wrong one. Oh, it's not a
J'ai
big deal.
voyagé dans beaucoup
Oh,
de
look at all
pays.
those stamps in that passport. He's probably
Quand
been a lot
elle
of places.
voyage, elle prend beaucoup de valises.
She takes a lot of baggages, suitcases. Elle prend beaucoup de valises. If you need it repeated.
Quand elle voyage, elle prend beaucoup de valises.
Excellent. You're just going to click on the picture.
Je voyage en train.
Ooh, elle est en train, oui. She's in a train, yes. So it's hoping it just jumps right into it. It doesn't really just teach you words individually. It puts them all together. So if you make a mistake, you get to keep trying until you learn. Okay, so to get out of it, you can just click on Rosetta Stone and go back to the main page. There's also stories in the link called Extended Learning. And you can start with simple ones in Unit 1 or scroll all the way to Unit 13. Look at these great stories. Les Sables du Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel est un endroit incroyable. It's an amazing place. I hope you go there someday. Un voyage en bateau sur la Seine. This is a boat ride and seeing Paris by boat. And then we have another story about Tata Maria et Tonton Alejo. So we also have stories that we can read. So there is your Rosetta Stone. You can do your achievements. And this is new, so you can surprise me and show me anything that you would like to show me. I'm not really sure what it's going to show you when you're done. So we'll have to experiment with this, and you're going to show me some fun new things. So let's go back. I'm going to close out with an X. When you're done learning something, sorry for the spinning here. Always takes a while. When you're done, you can just take a screenshot of your finished work. Bam, take that little screenshot, just save it onto your computer, and then submit that into submit assignments. So you would go back into submit assignments, say, oh, I want to submit this picture, okay? So you go into submit assignments. I'm in the 1920 class, I'm sorry. Let's get in the, there we go. This is the year 2020. Sorry. Now I'm in the right one. So you're going to go into submit assignments, click on that little link right there, and it's Rosetta Stone assignments. And then you would just click on that, and then you can just attach a picture, browse your computer and attach that picture, okay? And let me know what you learned. And then you're going to do speaking when you're done. And when you do a speaking assignment, you record, tell me a story with what you learned. Write a story down and read it. Then you'll go into the audio summary, okay, and submit it right into there. You just browse your computer and attach it like you would any other assignment. So I hope this helps a little bit on getting started, and I look forward to hearing what you learned.